Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'll be showing you a simple home remedy that will help get rid of all the dark circles and puffiness from your eye. This remedy is going to help reduce the puffiness and give you a nicer and younger look around your eye. If this is your first time stopping by, please click on the subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell, share this video with your friends and loved ones if you find it interesting and useful, and let's get started with the preparation. Turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is rich in anti-inflammatory properties, it's rich in antibacterial and antioxidant properties that is going to help get rid of any inflammation, and it's going to help tone your skin around the eye because of its toning and lightening properties. It's going to help stimulate the circulation of blood around the eye area. Turmeric powder is going to protect your skin from any kind of sun damage. It's going to help reduce the aging process of your skin. It's going to help get rid of any kind of fine lines and blemishes around the eye area. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in hydrating properties, is rich in moisturizing properties, is also very rich in antioxidant properties that is going to help nourish and moisturize the eye area. Is going to help get rid of all the puffiness and the darkness from your eye. Rice flour. Rice flour is rich in carbohydrates, it's rich in so many nutrients and minerals that will help get rid of all the darkness from your eye. The rice flour is going to absorb all impurities from your skin pores. It's going to get rid of all the dirt clogged in your skin pores around the eye. It's going to help rejuvenate the eye area and revitalize the eye area, therefore leaving your eye area free from puffiness and darkness. Ingredient to be adding to our bowl is rice flour. We just need 1 tablespoon of rice flour. The next ingredient we'll be adding to it is turmeric powder. We need just 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Olive oil. One teaspoon. We need just 2 tablespoons of the olive oil to add to this remedy. The next thing we'll be doing now is to mix this ingredient all together. You have baby oil, you can add to it. So this is our remedy. That's what it looks like when you're done with your mixture. To apply this, if your skin is very sensitive, please, you can use just the oil. Try to get just the oil and apply it around the area, the puffed area of your eye. You apply it in a very gentle and circular motion. But if your skin is not really sensitive, it is recommended that you apply a generous amount of this remedy around the areas of your eye that is dark and puffy. You allow this to sit on you for 15 minutes. Please, you don't have to wash this off. When it's 15 minutes, you can just wipe off with a towel or a tissue. Wipe it off gently. Then you allow this to sit on you overnight. Actually, you leave it overnight. Then in the morning, you wash it while you shower. Then you notice that the puffiness around your eye is already gone, but you can still continue for about a week or 2 weeks. But I bet you after your first application, you will notice a tremendous change around the eye. You will notice the dark circles are all gone, the puffiness is gone. So guys, this is it. This is all I have to show you for today. Please, if you found this video interesting and useful, please give us a huge thumbs up and share it with your friends and loved ones. And please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be updated when we upload new and useful videos on this channel. Till my next video, I'll see you all very soon.